Ah, jeez. Look what he got, y'all. Ain't no made it too.
What's in this bag, people? Little magic elixir.
For what?
Yeah, boy. Oh, wow. It's the line for food. All right, y'all. Last stop of the day. We're at the Chowder House.
Cape Cod Chowder House.
Cape Fear
Chowder House.
Chowder House. We came over here for a crab roll, y'all. Because we gotta have something to compare that last crab roll to. And from here on, we're headed down south.
Everywhere, and if somebody got a problem, we could meet up anywhere. Now go say some, don't you play dumb. You know where we came from, and you don't want sauce, no A1.
Y'all don't get much fresher than this right here. That's where I'm getting the food, and this is where they get their seafood at. Boats come in, dump their catch.
Singing every time, take a high note for me, girlfriend. Got my city looking rude. I ain't Diddy, I ain't lone, but I think I need a girlfriend.
All right, y'all. I know you've heard this once before, and before, when it comes to freaking frack. We were leaving Kennebunkport. We were actually out of Kennebunkport, and we were in Kennebunk. But we passed by this place, magical place in front of me, and there was no line. So we had to stop and do it, people. One more lobster roll for the road from what has been voted best lobster roll in Maine. That's right, y'all. The Clam Shack. And so y'all see proof right here. We were out of Kennebunkport. That's the welcome to Kennebunkport sign. We're gonna have to go back in there and turn around to leave.
They put theirs on this kind of bun too.
Oh, yeah, boy. All right.
The bread is soft.
It is time to end this lobster challenge
for today. There's one last lobster roll tomorrow.
Put the box down, hold it with two hands.
It's like chunks of meat.
Yeah. Let the people see what's going on in there, y'all. So that's lobster with butter and mayonnaise, y'all.
There you go.
Go.
3, 2, 1.
Don't say nothing. My turn, y'all. My turn.
The bread is soft but slightly toasty.
Here we go.
This is definitely better than Fort Lobster.
Definitely. That's pretty good, y'all.
For me, this took third.
Yeah, I'm gonna give it third. My one, believe it or not, for me, New Hampshire.
Huh?
Only because the bread was toasted. But
You
that
love toasted
Boston
bread.
lobster meat was so delicious. So it's like 1 and 1A. Mm-hmm. Don't mind if I do.
So y'all, we're driving back to Connecticut, and we kind of hit a standstill. We're kind of, because we're still moving, but it's very slow traffic. Anyway, we have another crab roll, right, Padre?
Let's do this.
Here's the roll. It is a cold crab roll with mayonnaise. Let's see what she looks like. That is a lot of crab. And I get the first bite because my father's driving. This is better than New Hampshire. Better than New Hampshire, not better than Utah.
All right, y'all. That was a good crab roll, but it was a little bit dry for me. The one in New Hampshire had more mayonnaise.
I would agree with that.
So I'm gonna give Freshies in Utah still number 1 for crab rolls. New Hampshire 2, Maine 3. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it.
For me, New Hampshire just did have more mayonnaise, but I didn't like how the bun was. This is number 2. Utah still number 1. But instead for mine, Maine number 2. New Hampshire number 3.
All right, y'all. It's not a pop and squirt adventure without some kind of chaos. So our chaos for today is we was homeless people.
The last hotel we went to overbooked, so we got moved to this one.
Yeah.
Luckily, this one was almost booked out too.
And we got the last room in this hotel. So, good fortune was amongst us. Unlike those other people who sitting down there fighting with the manager because their reservation didn't get honored. I was like,
I'm all right here.
just tell me where I need to go so I can go lay down. It ain't worth all that. So we are at the Courtyard now in Hartford, Connecticut. And we finna go in our room, people. Well, as y'all can see, somebody's gotten very comfortable really quick in the hotel room. However, I will be over here. Dun, dun, dun.
You ordered 2 lobsters.
Feasting on this, y'all. This comparison is gonna be hard shell versus soft shell lobster.
Hard shell, soft shell.
This is the hard one. Squeeze it. And I squeeze the other one.
She put the bands on there because hard shells has the red one.
So we got the 2 lobsters and some hot drawn butter, y'all. And we're gonna wash it down with some Gatorade and water. All right, folks. So here we go. First, we're going to take this bad boy. Oh yeah. You're just supposed to twist the tail from the body. Yeah, boy. That's the hard. Here's the soft. Same thing. Got us 2 tails. Then you are supposed to stretch it, and then you kind of just, you can break it down the back, and then you'll pop it open. Doing this without utensils because we're in a hotel and everything, but you know, Pop knows his way around the food, so we're gonna get in these lobsters. Don't you worry about that. I'm already in the hard one. Yeah.
So this is a soft shell.
Yep.
Like touching the meat.
Huh? Yeah. So if you don't know how to do it, let me do it. Alright. Boom. Here we go, y'all. 1 whole lobster tail.
Can I have a bite right now?
That's the hard shell.
I dipped in butter and have a bite.
Alright, y'all. So you can tell by the size. This one's the hard shell. This one's the soft shell. You can see how much bigger the hard shell lobster is. Meat is. Now both of these lobsters were in the same size category, but it's just that the meat inside of the soft shell is always going to be
smaller.
So now, I'm going to break the soft shell in half.
We haven't had lobster tails in so long.
And break the hard shell in half. And we're going to dip these bad boys in butter. Soft, hard. Okay, this is the hard. You got the soft one first?
Yeah, that's soft one.
Alright. No, wait a minute, let me see.
That's the soft one.
Yeah, that's the soft one, small. And this is the soft. So we're going in for soft shell first.
Soft shell first.
Dip it in butter. Yeah. I wish y'all could see this butter dip. 3,
Wait.
2, 1.
I'm gonna savor this.
Flip it. Don't flip over. Go to the hard shell now.
I'm gonna have my soft shell first. A little bite.
No. Alright.
Hard shell.
Hard shell. Swimming in butter, y'all. Swimming in butter.
You're not gonna wait for me?
You ain't wait for me?
Hard shell's chewier.
Mm-hmm. So you can tell the difference. The hard shell is much more chewy. Still good, but it
Yeah,
has,
still delicious, absolutely, of course.
but it's got way more body. Now, some people say they can tell the sweetness in the meat. I'm gonna try. This time I'm gonna be looking for the sweetness, but I really couldn't tell nothing just off the rip. So, hard shell. I'm looking at my meat. Soft shell. Gotta try it again, y'all. I'm trying to find the sweetness difference.
You're doing this. You're just doing this to torture me, aren't you?
See if you can tell the difference in the sweetness. Because I can't. Which one's sweeter?
Soft shell.
You can tell?
Kind of.
I'm going to have to try them both at the same time.
That ain't gonna do nothing.
Still can't tell.
The soft shell has a slight sweeter taste. Barely, though. So, y'all, we're back
Back.
to do the claw meat test.
So, you can tell the difference in size. Hard shell, soft shell.
Soft shell. My hard shell is a lot harder to crack into, but that means a hard shell lobster. So I started cutting my finger while doing it. But I live.
My favorite part of any crustacean is the claw meat. So I'm gonna start with the soft shell meat first.
Get my soft shell meat.
Dip it in butter.
Butter.
3, 2,
2,
1. That claw meat's more spongy. I like stiffer claw meat, so I know I'm like the hard shell claw meat better. That one was kind of spongy to me. How about you?
I liked it.
Okay. Well, you can give me your hard shell since you
No.
don't like it. All right.
3.
Dip this hard shell in butter, baby. 3, 2, 1. Tell me that the soft shell better.
To be that honest, it is though.
What? No. This hard shell where it's at.
The soft shell fits my preference more.